अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं फ़िश एग्स रोस्ट। इसको बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 10 to 15 shallots chopped, curry leaves, 1 teaspoon full chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 8 to 10 garlics chopped, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 green chilli chopped, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Vinegar 3 teaspoons, half kg fish eggs. This is mixed fish eggs. Add all the ingredients to the clay pot except for the coconut oil. Add 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Mix well to make a paste. Now add the fish eggs and coat the masala very well over them. Mix it gently. See that you don't break the eggs. Cover and keep aside for 10 minutes. Heat a mud pot. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Rotate the mud pot lightly so that the whole oil gets coated all over once the oil is hot. Add the masala coated fish eggs. Distribute them evenly all around the pot. Keep on high flame. Let it cook for some time. Now add fresh curry leaves. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Keep opening in between so that you can stir gently. Fish egg leaves water. Dry up all the water and then gently roast the fish eggs in the remaining oil. Fish eggs is ready to serve. Do try it out. Thank you for watching.